24. Coalesce, meaning unite, merge, combine. Usage: the groups coalesce to form a single entity. 25. Cogent, meaning convincing, persuasive, compelling. Usage: his argument was cogent and well-reasoned. 26. Conflagration, meaning large fire, blaze, inferno. Usage: the conflagration destroyed several buildings. 27. Consternation, meaning dismay, shock, anxiety. Usage: the news caused widespread consternation. 28. Contumacious, meaning rebellious, defiant, disobedient. Usage: the contumacious student refused to follow the rules. 29. Corroborate, meaning confirm, verify, support. Usage: the witness's testimony corroborated the evidence. 30. Craven, meaning cowardly, timid, fearful. Usage: his craven behavior was disappointing. 31. Credulous, meaning gullible, trusting, naive. Usage: the scam preyed on credulous individuals. 32. Demur, meaning object, hesitate, show reluctance. Usage: she agreed without demur. 33. Desiccate, meaning dry up, dehydrate, remove moisture. Usage: the hot sun desiccated the soil. 34. Desultory, meaning lacking plan, random, aimless. Usage: the conversation was desultory and unstructured. 35. Diaphanous, meaning translucent, sheer, delicate. Usage: the diaphanous curtains let in the sunlight. 36. Disabuse, meaning correct a false impression, set right, enlighten. Usage: she disabused him of his misconceptions. 37. Discomfit, meaning make uneasy, embarrass, confuse. Usage: the questions discomfited him. 38. Disparate, meaning different, distinct, unrelated. Usage: the two cultures were disparate. 39. Egress, meaning exit, way out, means of leaving. Usage: the building had multiple points of egress. 40. Encomium, meaning praise, tribute, eulogy. Usage: the speech was an encomium to the hero. 41. Equivocate, meaning be ambiguous, mislead, use unclear language. Usage: the politician equivocated during the interview. 42. Erudite, meaning scholarly, learned, knowledgeable. Usage. The professor was known for his erudite lectures. 43. Eschew. Avoid. Shun. Abstain from. Usage. He eschewed all forms of violence. 44. Evanescent. Meaning. Fleeting. Vanishing. Temporary. Usage. The beauty of the sunset was evanescent. 45. Exacerbate. Meaning. Worsen. Aggravate. Intensify. Usage. The heavy rains exacerbated the flooding. 46. Fecund. Meaning. Fertile. Productive. Fruitful. Usage. The fecund soil yielded a rich harvest. 47. Fetid. Meaning. Foul-smelling. Putrid. Stinky. Usage. The fetid odor filled the room. 48. Foment. Meaning. Instigate. Stir up. Incite. Usage. The rebel leader fomented dissent among the troops. 49. Gainsay. Meaning. Deny. Contradict. Oppose. Usage. He could not gainsay the evidence. 50. Garrulity. Meaning. Talkativeness. Chattiness. Loquaciousness. Usage. His garrulity often annoyed his friends.